We all love our favorite Korean oppa and noona, but sometimes things aren't as perfect as they seem on screen. Today, we're spilling the tea on some Korean actors who weren't exactly angels when the camera stopped rolling. We'll dive into the accusations of on-set manipulation and behind-the-scenes mistreatment that have tarnished the images of some popular actors. In early April 2021, a netizen who claimed to have worked with Seo Ye-ji said many of their coworkers dreaded Seo Ye-ji's projects. They even begged their superiors not to pair them with her. "I really didn't want to work with her," they stated, "but they told me to deal with it and that it would help my career. That pressure kept me working with her for years." The whistleblower revealed more about the actress's actions. They said Seo Ye-ji cursed like a sailor at the crew and used intimidating tactics and slurs to keep everyone on edge. Even the tiniest mistake would set her off, and she'd scream at us right in our faces, blowing smoke everywhere. Worse, the ex-employee stated proof was nearly difficult. Seo Ye-ji reportedly continuously checked their phones for recordings. Looking back, they continued, "I wish I spoke up. Silence made stress and yelling worse." Actress Seo Ye-ji faced accusations of being controlling, not just on set, but also with her ex-boyfriend. On top of that, it took a long time for her to apologize. Her late February apology read, "Sorry it took so long to apologize. I've been thinking a lot about things and apologize for making folks uncomfortable. All because I wasn't mature enough. I promise to be more careful and show everyone my best side." Her apology wasn't enough to erase her cruelty. People were furious, and it turns out she was disrespectful to set personnel as well as her ex. In addition to the ridiculous claims, Seo Ye-ji is renowned for being nasty to her co-stars. Not a good appearance for a talented actress. Things started to unravel for Korean actor Kim Jong-hyun in April 2021. A dispute arose between him and his agency regarding the length of his contract. The issue stemmed from Jong-hyun reportedly meeting with another agency while his exclusive contract with his current one was still ongoing. The agency claimed Jong-hyun had 11 months remaining on his contract, even considering a period of inactivity he took for personal reasons. Here's the twist. According to reports, the agency hadn't included the time Jong-hyun took off from the MBC drama Time in 2018, even though he left the show midway due to alleged health problems. This is where the trouble began. The agency's perspective differed. They believed Jong-hyun's attitude had been off since the drama's press conference and attributed it to personal issues involving a woman, not health concerns. According to them, this was the reason behind Jong-hyun's decision to leave the show. Critics quickly pointed out that Jong-hyun seemed distant from his co-worker Seo-hyun during the press conference when the actors from the drama Time gathered. The actor's glum demeanor and lack of enthusiasm in the available film made many viewers uneasy. Everything went viral online when Seo-hyun turned down Kim Jong-hyun's offer to join forces. After noticing Jong-hyun's demeanor, the reporters present inquired as to if he was feeling down. The actor said it was because he was so engrossed in playing the part of a dying man who is aware that his time on Earth is limited. He found it difficult to break character. Quite a few online users were unconvinced by this line of thinking. Many felt uneasy because Jong-hyun's icy demeanor throughout the news conference. Because Jong-hyun appeared to be on the verge of tears multiple times throughout the press conference, some were eager to protect him, stating that something must have happened to him before the event. The fact that Seo-hyun was a more senior actor than Jong-hyun only served to amplify the cultural significance of his extremely impolite behavior. This entire drama became increasingly bizarre. Reportedly, Seo Ye-ji was responsible for Jong-hyun's disrespectful behavior towards Seo-hyun on April 11, 2021. The actor stepped down from the show and took an approximately 11th-month hiatus shortly after the whole Seo-hyun scandal. Despite his comeback with Crash Landing on You, it was clear that his behavior towards Seo-hyun remained a lingering memory. Apparently, he was having problems with his girlfriend at the time, which is why he acted in such a troubling manner. The exchange of text messages between Kim Jong-hyun and Seo Ye-ji was exposed by Dispatch on April 12, 2021. Basically, Ye-ji advised Kim in these messages to remain stiff and not smile or greet anyone on set. The way Seo Ye-ji dictated to him in the text conversation gave the impression that she was extremely manipulative and dominating. It was later revealed that Kim Jong-hyun also asked similar things from her while she was filming her drama, even though many were quick to cancel her. In 2013, unsubstantiated rumors surfaced about a rising K-pop idol nicknamed Nation's First Love, possibly Bae Suzy. Korean media outlet Sports Seoul reported on an unnamed rude and disrespectful female idol, but details were scarce. They mentioned the idol's rising popularity and nickname, with speculation pointing towards Suzy. The accusations were serious. The idol, according to the report, had become arrogant and disrespectful. Staff reportedly complained about tardiness during photo shoots and a dismissive attitude during breaks. Even more concerning were claims of the idol using profanity, a stark contrast to the soft and cute image that the public was used to. However, a crucial caveat remains. These accusations were never substantiated. The report lacked a name, relying solely on the idol's nickname and rising popularity to fuel speculation. This highlights the inherent difficulty in separating truth from rumor in the K-pop world. Idols are carefully packaged and promoted with their public image tightly controlled. Negative stories rarely see the light of day, and when they do, they often lack concrete evidence. This incident involving the unnamed Nation's First Love serves as a cautionary tale. While fans naturally want to believe the best about their idols, a healthy dose of skepticism is crucial. Blind acceptance can create a breeding ground for misinformation and allow problematic behavior to fester. Instead, fans can hold their idols accountable by demanding transparency and staying informed about potential controversies. Next up, we have actor Ji Chang-wook. A behind-the-scenes clip from his drama, Welcome to Samdari, caused a stir online. In the footage, eagle-eyed viewers spotted Chang-wook smoking an electronic cigarette indoors during rehearsals. While the video initially went unnoticed, it gained traction online, particularly among international fans who found it troubling. Smoking indoors is a major faux pas in South Korea due to strict health regulations that prohibit it in public spaces. Celebrities caught doing so often face harsh criticism and even fines. Unsurprisingly, Chung-wook's actions sparked disappointment from many fans. To address the situation, Chung-wook's agency issued a formal apology. They acknowledged the clip, confirmed it was an e-cigarette, apologized for any offense caused, and vowed to prevent similar incidents in the future. Actor Park Seo-joon found himself in hot water last year for his alleged impolite behavior towards a co-star. During promotions for the film Concrete Utopia, a fan gifted the two leads, Park Seo-joon and Park Bo-young, special headbands. In a video circulating online, Bo-young is seen wearing a rabbit headband while holding a fox headband, presumably meant for Park Seo-joon. When she attempts to offer him the headband, he appears to coldly refuse. Bo-young takes this as a cue and continues wearing her own headband. This incident sparked outrage online, with many fans criticizing Park Seo-joon's actions as disrespectful and entitled. However, Seo-joon later came out to address the incident and apologized for the misunderstanding. Korean culture takes littering seriously, and celebrities are no exception. Last October, Choi Hyun-wook learned this the hard way. A video emerged of him carelessly tossing a cigarette butt on the public street. This sparked outrage as proper disposal is highly valued. In the video uploaded to an online forum, Hyun-wook is seen holding a woman's hand while smoking a cigarette. Eventually, he's done smoking and he tosses the cigarette butt onto a public road where cars were parked. His agency apologized, but Hyun-wook further addressed fans with a handwritten apology, vowing to show a more mature side. Park Shin-hye encountered similar criticism in 2011. Rumors swirled that she discarded a fan's gift in Taiwan. While Shin-hye denied it, claiming staff miscommunication, the controversy focused on her overall fan interaction. She apologized for any misunderstandings. Kim Young-kwon has been criticized for his remarks about women, prioritizing looks, and admitting to judging people based on appearance. In an interview, he made derogatory comments about women's hygiene and weight. He also said he finds attractive people of both genders in his social circle, despite not being known for his own good looks. On a variety show, he came across as condescending by expressing resentment towards his early acting roles, which he felt were beneath him compared to his modeling career. His comments seemed disrespectful to new actors who have to start somewhere.